to the bema, to the boardroom. This progress would not have been possible without the vision, the perseverance, and the courage of Reform women.
What will I tell your little boys? And what do I tell my little girl?
If you ever wonder what's on the horizon for Reform Judaism, you would do well to take a look at the women of Reform Judaism. Because for the last 100 years, the WRJ has led in being the dynamic, visionary movement that we are.
Bring it down, and we will say amen.
Our success at the Kotel must become the engine, pulling the train of religious pluralism. The next car is an end to gender segregation in Israel and the exclusion of women. We bring you news of great achievements tonight, but we also know that the rights of women in Israel are under attack.
Her love of Israel
and
progressive Judaism, and her tireless dedication to improving our world make Anat most deserving of WRJ's Jane Evans Pursuit of Justice Award.